So Abhay sir is also here. So Abhay sir is also one of the judge and AI. So Abhay sir, if you have a minute, can you just guide them for how to present their project and whatever they have done in the hackathon?
Yeah, just do your best, guys. It's nothing about it's all about how you solve the problems and whatever the problems you solve. Yeah, it may be possible or impossible, but it is that is how the ideas come and the new inventions come. Okay, all the best.
Okay, so Abhay sir would be there in the meeting and he would be looking at how you guys are doing. Okay, he is also one of the judges. So now I'm expecting some of the participants to just be in the air and just unmute their mics and start talking, like say at least in hi. Purnima, do we have any participants here?
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name
Soon as the Viva finishes, they will join the meeting.
So it would be finishing by 4:30 because you
Yeah,
have to present your project today.
yes, ma'am. Our team member have joined.
Okay, so who is he? Can you just say a little hi?
Medha.
Midha, hi Midha. Okay, I can see. Maybe let's just settle. Let's just make a settle down. Okay, so today's Judgment Day. I know everyone has taken a lot of efforts to make their hack. Looked into the repositories, but I think you guys are not so aware of how to create a report. Hence, we needed to make this thing today. Okay, the presentation round. Now, in the presentation round, if you can hear me, just say yes before that because I feel like I'm talking to an empty room.
yes, ma'am.
Can
We can.
everyone hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You can also use the emojis in the discussion panel so that I can understand. Maybe you can say yes or no by that. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. So, looking at the discussion, see, you have to come in with your project, whatever you have made that to running. You have to share your screen. The team leader will introduce himself and the team, and he will mention the number of team members and who are the team members. Okay. Rest of the people.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ
Uh,
ನೋಡೋದು
Abhay sir, can you just mute yourself? Can anyone please make Abhay sir mute?
ಕಾರ್ಗಿಂತ ಬೈಕ್ ರೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾರ್ ಒಂದ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ದು ಒಂದ್ ಕಾರ್ ಬೇಕಾ
Okay, thank you so much. Maybe he didn't got that his mute is his unmute. Okay, so so that was a nice start. Okay,
Hello.
hello,
So can we start?
hello. There's a lot of noise. I can't understand who is talking. Okay.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah. Yes, Purnima, you are.
So can we start?
We have already started, darling.
Okay.
But you're not in the team meeting.
So-
Okay, perfect. So the way you need to just a minute, Purnima. So the way you need to handle the presentation is first you will come in, you'll introduce yourself because ultimately I was not the one who mentored you, right? So I don't know anything for about anyone. Okay. You would be telling me about you'll show me the run through your sharing the screen. Any doubts, any ups and downs are there, it's okay. You can still tell me that. Okay, I will consider it. Third thing, you would be telling me what was your problem statement and how do your project make sure that the problem is resolved. Ultimately, a hackathon is for that. Whatever problem statement is given, I hope that you have got the solution. And upon the basis of how scalable your resource, how scalable your project is, how much it can be brought into the real life and how well it solves the problem. Depending upon that, we find out the winners. Okay. Any one team, no matter if the team is winning or losing, the way you present, the way you gave away the solution, no matter how well you have completed the code or how well it's running, on that basis we will be selecting one team. If anyone has really got into the result nicely, then we would bring in that team and make that project for a real. Okay, so basically we will help you to bring that project in real. Okay, so I hope I'm clear for everyone. And Purnima, I want you to take over for starting with the presentation.
Yes. So, good afternoon, all. I, Purnima Nalaude, welcome you to the award ceremony of the hackathon, which was organized by the R Infinity Club of Devgiri Institute of Engineering and Management Studies on 28th of Feb and 1st of March. I congratulate all the participants for participating in this hackathon. We are thankful to our respected director, Dr. Ullas Shurkar sir, our HOD, Dr. Kalyankar sir, our club college coordinator, Mrs. Priyanka Das ma'am, and Ms. Priyanka Shasni ma'am for giving us the opportunity to organize this hackathon. And last but not the least, I would like to thank all my team members for their amazing teamwork. Without all of your support, we wouldn't be able to make this hackathon successful. Under your guidance, we are looking forward to organize many such interesting events. Now I request Ms. Priyanka Shasni ma'am to conduct the further event. Thank you.
Okay, so guys, just Purnima, just tell me which team to start with so that they can just start and explain their project.
Let's start with Tech Yodha.
Perfect. Okay, so Tech Vyodha, is your whole team here?
No, ma'am. Actually, two of our members, they are
Are
yet to
still
join
out?
the meeting. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Any other team whose all the members are here?
Is Cybertron here? Hello? Alliance? Team Alliance?
Yes, ma'am. We are here.
Okay, so can you please start? Don't take
Yes,
any
ma'am.
burden. It's okay. It is not to be done as a presentation. But whatever you have done, just explain me because I was not there, right? Personally, I was not here. Even Abhay sir was not here. So just show me what you have made. Okay, share your screen and show me.
Okay, ma'am. It's
Okay, what
visible?
is happening? Just a minute.
Yes, it is visible.
Now I just joined. Okay, give me some minutes and tell me, like, can we go on the
Is it
first page again?
visible?
Yes, it is visible, but can we go on the first page again?
Ma'am, it's the first page.
Acha, this is only the home page. Okay, sorry. Okay, then tell me what was your
Ma'am?
problem. Tell me who was your team.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am Nutan. I am from third year from DIMS Aurangabad. My team member is Priya Kothalkar and Shubhangi Hiwade. She's from same branch. Please introduce yourself.
Sorry, I missed the last word. Hello?
Hello, Priya.
Yes,
Are
Nutan.
Yes.
Please introduce yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I, Priya Kothalkar, I am the part of our team, Alliance. I am also a third year student of our DIMS college.
Okay. So now tell me what was the problem statement which you have chosen and why? Why did you choose it? What was the problem statement?
Ma'am, ma'am, our problem is
Your network is lagging.
ma'am. cards.
Your network, I can't hear you. I
Am
can't
I
hear
audible,
you.
ma'am?
Yes, you are. Now tell me.
Now, ma'am?
Yes, now you're audible. Tell
Now
me.
am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Tell me.
Ma'am, my problem statement is shopping cart system for the farmer. This website for the farmer who live in villages or other places. This website is helpful for a customer fruits and the products that come from farm. They upload here, and they get chance to buy. They get chance to buy here from for some low cost. Ma'am, this is a home. Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. But
Hello,
there is
ma'am.
some noise behind you.
Okay, ma'am. Now.
All clear, Nutan? Start.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you can see here, this is a home page. When the logo of my project is the modern agriculture for farmer, society and nature. We know that, ma'am. Now we are all in virtual level. Everything going on mobile, laptop and everything. So I choose this problem because we know the farmers don't know everything about the internet, about mobile. To when he buy some product for his farmer from market, or he sell his product for market also. They go there and they sell. But this website is for those farmer who is some knowledge about internet and their family also. Just like the farmers have one boys or one girls who are educated, and she or he knows that
Okay.
they upload their
I can't hear you.
here
I lost
what
you
they
for a
need
second.
from market.
Perfect. Perfect. So
Ma'am,
now tell me what. Yes, yes, you are audible. Now tell me, what were your thoughts behind this? So like, how does it work? Show me how does it work. This is the only homepage, right? Like, show me how does it work.
yes,
How
ma'am.
will a farmer add a product in
When
the cart?
Yes, ma'am. Here is a login page, ma'am. Farming portal. Here we log like first name, last name, city name, address, phone number, email, date of birth, or the any question that they have in their mind. When they submit, we got their information. What is the question they have? What's the name? From which place they have? Login got access to products, and they able to buy the products from this website, ma'am. Here is
Okay.
the when
Your
we
voice
go
is
to Apple.
completely crapping. Just a minute. Your voice is continuously crapping.
Okay,
Can you
ma'am.
use a better
I
network?
give. Please, Priya, your voice. Your
Yeah,
network is
Priya, if you
clear.
want. Okay, can Priya continue then?
Hello, Priya. Am I audible?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Priya. So can you continue? Because her network is weak.
Okay, ma'am. So
Yeah.
here is the fruit logger where there are seasonal pressure food like apple, and then if we click on apple, please click on apple, Nutan.
Yes, I
Then we
click,
get
but not loaded.
information about apple, that is rupees 250 per 1 kg. Then brand, the farmer, then quick description about that product which we have to buy, which is fresh and natural apple, click on buy now.
Hmm.
Then we can buy the fruit, and suppose client wants to buy this apple, then server gets information about that this client want this product. That is then we next tab is about contact us. Then
Hmm.
client can add their name, that is your name, then email, phone, then name
Okay,
of the
okay,
fruits
okay,
or
okay.
vegetables.
I got it. I got it. So now, if you put in any data, is it actually working? As in, like the server is actually connected, or this is
Yes,
just a mock
ma'am.
of
We
everything?
get email from that client.
Okay. So can you show me that? It is
Okay, ma'am.
working, right? Okay.
Nutan?
Now it's not working, ma'am.
Exactly. That was my question. Okay, no problem. So okay, tell me your team name again.
Alliance.
Alliance. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Yes. Nice. Nice. Thank you. Okay. Next team, Purnima.
Can I
Can we
share, ma'am?
have tech warriors? Yes, you can.
We can just stop presenting. That's fine. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
We having tech warriors here.
The second call for tech warriors. Is any other team present? We can take your the tech warriors or whatever it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Do we
Cybertron.
okay, Cybertons is ready. Great, perfect. Take it.
Yes. Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Roshan. I am from Cybertron team. Number is Pooja Dhete, Sakshi Petkar, and Ashish Popche. We work on a problem of farmers in which there are middlemen in between farmers and customer, by which
Perfect.
farmer get a low profit and customer get a product in high cost. So solving that
Perfect.
problem, we make a website on which farmer can directly contact with customer, and customer can directly buy product from the farmer. So
Perfect. Perfect.
will I share my screen?
Please go ahead. Yes.
Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes. That's yes. You are on a mobile phone, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rotate your
So
screen. Can't you
is
present
it
from that
okay?
phone? Can't you present your screen from that
No,
device?
ma'am. Actually, software installed nahi, ma'am. Yes, sir.
But you were have been told, right? So let's do one thing. You can come again at the end and then present. Till that, we'll just have another team. Okay, till that, just
Okay.
download Zoom on your laptop.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, because it's not possible. Na? I can't see from the phone camera like this. Any other
Okay, ma'am.
team which is ready?
Igloo?
Ma'am, take Yoda.
Yes. Igloo wants to go first. Okay, shall we start then? Take Yoda, we'll get back to you on this. Just some minutes, okay? Yeah. And you guys are starting?
ठीक है
Yes. Is Igloo there? If not, then take Yodas, you can start. Guys, who is there?
Can we present our project? Take Yoda.
Yes, okay, go ahead.
Can I get the permissions to share my screen? Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Okay. So good evening, one and all present here. My name is Rugwet Prashant Chavan, and I'm the team leader of Team Take Yoddhas. There are basically three team members in my team: Yash Kure, Meda Chikse, and Sri Lakshmi Mokashi. Uh, so basically, the problem statement that was provided to us, it was to provide an end-to-end service portal for farmers to customers that would help to eliminate the middleman and gain more profit for the farmers, and as well as provide a product in low cost, or we can say in a cheap cost, to the end customers. So
Perfect.
basically, first solve this problem. Basically, to solve any of the problem with real-time scenarios, we need to have a business plan, also the product. So basically, first we will go with our business plan, then we will show our product. Okay. So
Perfect.
basically, working with the solution, we were going to develop a web portal that will be basically a progressive web app, so that it can work with all the devices, also with the keypad phones. Like you can open the browser there and you can use this web portal.
Hmm.
Also, the main solution is that we are going to eliminate the third person. Basically, the working with the current the scenario that is going on in the market is that the farmers produce their crops, they sell to a middleman. He collects all the
Hmm.
crops from all the farmers from a specific region, and then he sells
Hmm.
to all the distributors and all the end customers. So basically, our
Hmm.
target was all these in middle persons. So we are doing
Hmm.
this by creating an web portal which will directly connect the farmers to the end customers, like the common people living in the cities and other areas, also to the hotels, we can say food industries like Mapro Foods and all those who need the
Perfect.
products directly from the farmers. So basically, this will be giving farmers the right to decide the rate of their product, and also it will be and products available at a good rate for the end customers like the food industries and the common man. Okay. So basically, also we are adding one thing, that is land contract for the farmers. Basically, according to the survey that was done by us, there are many of the farmers who can't work physically on the farms. So basically, they can get in contact with the industries, and they can give their lands on the renting purpose for the farming purposes. Basically, this idea we have got from we all know Lonavala station. So basically,
Hmm.
Mapro Foods is taking lands on rent for the farmers for cultivating strawberries. So basically,
Okay.
this can be implemented all over the nationwide, so that the farmers
Hmm.
who don't have that physical strength to work in the farms can also earn through the this farming process. Also, some of the industries, they are making contract with farmers for 5 years, 10 years, so that farmers will produce the good products that they need.
I'll
And
interrupt you here.
okay,
Just a
ma'am.
minute. Your name again?
I'm take you, Dazurgu Chavan.
Rugved. So, Rugved, this was a very widely communicating idea in the, it's like I really appreciate it. And
Yes, ma'am.
it's just
Hello. Actually, I'm not able to hear you.
on that off. Exactly. Now are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
perfect. Okay, perfect. So now what's the issue? What is happening? Company like Mapro, anything against Mapro or any other company over here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
But when we are talking about a company signs a bond for a strawberry, which
Yes,
is
ma'am.
red in color and
Yes,
around 1.5 inch size,
yes, ma'am.
okay, with around a radius of maybe I will say 5 centimeter,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. This is the requirement and this is what they have signed in for.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hello. Hello.
Hello,
Yeah, ma'am. Now you are audible.
hello, yeah. So when the actual issue begin is that the
Hello.
Priyanka ma'am, you're not audible. Hello?
hello, hello, hello,
Yes, ma'am.
hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, sorry, some network issues. So when the issue starts when the farmer is being promised to get paid when he will give this diameter strawberries, maybe 500 strawberries, for an example. Okay. But is it a damn promise, as if making a cotton t-shirt from a bunch of cotton? Can you do that? No. The nature and the surrounding come in between. Okay. So due to which many of the farmers who are contract farmers for the big companies, as terms and conditions applied, of course, as we see everywhere, they don't get the actual yield at the end. And then they feel like, okay, strawberry is completely useless for us. So they take the benefit of the illiteracy of the farmer and say that, no, we are not going to take this strawberry from you. Now, the farmer has taken all the efforts to grow strawberries, but it is not going to be taken by the company. Okay. So what we need to do over here is, this portal should be not for the people who are getting engaged into with companies and they are doing their stuff well. They are good, they are doing good. But the strawberries which are now cultivated and they want to sell it somewhere, right? I cultivated a bunch of flowers and now there is no one to purchase it. Maybe sunflowers. Okay. So to eliminate that, this project was given. Okay. Now you continue.
Ma'am, so actually, basically our solution consists of two parts, with the industries and with the common people. Okay. So the thing you mentioned in the second part, that it needs to be connected with the common man so that farmers can sell all those things. So basically, we have divided our solution into two parts. We are also having that in our solution in on the later parts. And coming to the first problem that you have addressed, that if the product is not up to the mark, then what all those things. So basically, while doing these contracts, all those things that are needed. So all those things are specified by the industries, which seeds need to be used, which fertilizers need to be used, and also the concerned authorities from that industries, they have regular visits to the farm to see whether all those processes are going in the same way that norms are given on. So basically, we have designed it this way.
Okay.
So moving, so can we move forward?
Yeah, please. Waiting.
So basically, then the second part for the farmer is that if he has certain product like vegetables and or fruits or some of the byproducts like milk and all those things, so he can those items using this web portal, which will be shown directly to the customers, that are the common people who need all those things in small quantity like 10 kg, 5 kg, 20 kg, and they can from the farmer. So basically, this is for the farmer process. Moving forward to the industry portal, basically industries can also put their own demand, like they want 10,000 kgs of tomatoes for producing some of the product. So the farmers that they think that they can satisfy this demand, they can contact to the industry for this mutual contract. Also industry can view the products that are uploaded by the farmers, and they can contact the farmers for buying those products from the farmers. And also the same part, that land contract I have explained in the previous solution. Then for the customer, it is a very easy flow, that customer needs to view all the products that are currently available. Then they need to select the farmers from whom they want to buy the things. All the ratings and the things will be available there. They need to place the order, and they will get delivery in 1 to 2 days. Okay. So basically, we have developed all these tech using Angular framework, so that it is on a web app designing framework, and also it is useful to make that web app progressive web app, so that it can be accessed from all types of devices. We have used MySQL for storing, and Node.js for server side run scripting and all those things. Basically, we wanted to work with a blockchain purpose, so that all the things that are going on needs to be secured. But developing blockchain in 24 hours hackathon, it is quite impossible. So we have dropped the blockchain part and adapted the server and database part. But if it needs to be implemented really in the market, then we can also work with blockchain.
Perfect. Go ahead.
So now I will present our solution.
I have two questions. Just remind me to ask them.
You
Show
can
me
ask.
over.
No problem.
I know, but I'm telling you to present first.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead.
So basically, this is a farmer portal. First, farmer needs to log in his mobile number, password that he has set. Yeah.
Okay,
So
nice.
basically, this is farmer card. So we have basically made it very simple to use so that the all type of farmers, though the farmers who don't have that digital literacy at a very high end, also can use this web portal. So basically, as I have already illustrated the land contract part, he can see if any of the industry has requested for land renting or for land farming. Moving forward with the industry part, so he can basically see here what the which items he has basically updated. Like he has updated wheat that he wants to sell 10 kg of those things and the estimated delivery that he will be giving. Okay, so these dates are random we have taken. So now he needs to
Okay.
add some of more products, so he can directly add here the item name, quantity, and he can just select out using this calendar.
Hmm.
Then same purpose for the household. So we have kept these two things separated because when industry buys some products, it's in a huge quantity, and when the common people buy, it's in a small quantity. So it
Hmm.
will be easy for the farmer to sell and keep the record of all those things. So basically, it is for farmer card. It is very simple. We have kept it, and then he can just log out from here. Going for the customer portal, customer also needs to use his mobile number and password to log in. Basically, he
Okay.
will be able to directly see the items available here. Currently, we are using although demo data because it
Hmm.
needs to be developed fast. So he can see all those price tags and the farmer name. Basically, a farmer name will with the rating will be displayed so that customers can decide that which quality and quantity they want. So basically, they
Okay.
can directly increase their quantity here on. Also, we have currently developed for the customer portal this time, and
Hmm.
then moving forward to the industry portal, they need to use their username.
Hmm.
So basically, this part of the industry portal is yet to be developed
Hmm.
because we ran into some problem using our server that it crashed in the middle night. So this
Hmm.
part is yet to be developed. So basically, they're having also the same options like they can view products or sorry, so they can place the demand. They can have land contract with the all those farmers, and they can have a logout. So
Hmm.
basically, this is a basic prototype that we have created. Okay.
Okay.
So this is basic prototype, and if you permit, then I can explain the business plan that we are having to implement in the market.
Okay. Now, what I'll suggest you is the
Yes, ma'am.
business plan. You can connect to me on one-to-one, and we
Okay, ma'am.
can discuss for the same.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
thank you, ma'am. Okay.
I really liked your idea and the way you implemented it, and the Angular part is nice. I had just one question.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
The one which was there, I got it resolved by looking at your profile. That
Okay,
was
ma'am.
that if the industry and everything, whatever. But okay, that is
Okay,
solved. You made it really nice. Okay.
okay, thank
Second
you.
question which I have right now is if the middleman, which is there in between, ultimately if this site is running, the middleman will feel devastated. His whole business is crashing, right? Looking at the business perspective, his business is getting crashed. So what do you suggest that he will try? No, he will try and purchase all the bulk from the farmers, and then
Yes,
same
ma'am.
way, all the middlemen will purchase it in bulk from the farmers,
Uh,
and then again
so,
sell it
ma'am,
in
sorry
a
to
higher
interrupt you,
price.
but actually,
Yeah, yeah, that's the question. Now tell me.
ma'am, actually, my network was unstable, so I was not able to hear the question. Can you please repeat it?
Okay, so the question was now if the farmer, see, now the middleman who is working in between, he has
Yes,
already
ma'am.
lost all his business. He has ran out of business because the middleman
Yes, ma'am.
thing is completely crashing. All the dalals and all the big
Yes, ma'am.
market people and everyone, they're gone, right? Even the shopkeepers are going to go away because even with many big short companies, we can do it with 1 day delivery. We can give it like everything, doorstep delivery, it is going on. Okay, so all the
Yeah,
women are working. So like they would be more than amazed if all the groceries are coming directly to their home, right?
yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
So big middleman, shopkeepers, a lot of business is going to go in black. So what will and how will you stop middleman from coming into this process again, and they will be purchasing it in the cost return on the site, and they will make sure to sell it in the expensive answer for that.
Basically, we have applied some of the constraints for the two buying portals, that is the industry portal and customer portal. Firstly, talking with the industry portal, industry needs to be registered and verified by the, like if we
Industry
are
problem, I
any,
have no problem. That where we
okay,
have to
I'm,
verify that. That
yeah,
is
yeah.
fine. I'm
So
talking about the
basically the,
customer constraint.
okay, okay. So when the middleman tries to buy in a huge quantity from the customer portal, so customer portal will not allow that huge quantity to buy, because when we are using the customer portal to give those delivery solutions for the farmer and customers, basically it will be having some of the buying constraint, like you can buy out a 10 kg, 20 kg, that type of. So you cannot buy and you all the present products from the market, and you can sell at expensive price. So we are going to have those constraints for the customer portal.
Perfect. And what is the security for all the customers? Means like uh, we need to keep like a track, right? Who purchased and who sold. So like
Yes,
how is the app going to keep a track of it?
ma'am. So basically, when the tracking system will begin from when the farmer uploads his product. So when the farmer uploads its product, it will be first recorded that with the farmer name and his farmer ID, what is the product and the product ID. Okay.
Okay.
So when that product is bought from that farmer to which customer, it will be recorded with that customer ID and with the quantity. So we can trace
Okay.
that if the farmer has uploaded 100 kg and with all those customer IDs buying, we can trace out that is all the quantities sold out or some of those is missing out there.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect. So thank you so much. I would be coming back to you, and you can talk to me in person. You can get a number from the Purnima or WhatsApp group or anywhere, and we can talk to you for the business. What is business perspective? Whatever idea you have, and we can talk that in person. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Perfect.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Who was what developer over here? May I just know the names?
Basically, we have four members: myself, Medha, Yash, and Sri Lakshmi.
You are Rugved, right?
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Rugved, and my three members: Medha.
Rugved have done what in the
I
project?
have basically planned all those solution, and basically in the development, I have developed the backend side
Back end. Okay.
and
And
integrating all those API into front ends. And Medha
oh,
and Sri Lakshmi, they have developed the UI part.
just a minute. Sri Lakshmi UI.
Yeah,
Okay.
Medha and Sri Lakshmi, they both have done the UI side, that designing all those things and UX experience.
Perfect. And I got it.
Okay,
Perfect.
and
Again ahead.
Yash have done with the development part of front end.
Okay. And then okay. So all the three of them are present here.
Yes, ma'am, they are present.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Next team, please.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Igloo, are you ready? Team Igloo?
We can also have cyber
Yes, ma'am.
Cyberton. Yeah,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can come ahead now. You were about to say something. Yes.
Sure, ma'am. Will I say
Yeah.
show my project?
Yeah. Go ahead, please.
I'm disabled to share my screen, sir, ma'am.
They will accept it. Give them some time.
My screen is visible, ma'am.
Yes, your screen is visible.
So
Great.
this is our project,
Mhm.
which solve the problem of farmers getting a low profit because of middleman between farmers and customers. So
Everyone has taken the same problem statement.
maybe it's easy, ma'am.
Maybe it's easy. Okay, fine. Go ahead.
So we develop a website in which farmer and customer both can register themselves. Farmer can add their product whatever they have to sell, and customer can log in to purchase the product from the local farmers. We actually focuses on the local farmers. That means the product list which are available on this site primarily show the local farmers products to the local customer, so that the delivery will be fast and the product will be fresh delivered to the customer. So this is our homepage.
Perfect.
Here is the farmer list. We show the available farmer, which are the registered farmers are available in this portal. So here will be a list of farmers, and this is our product list, that what are the product we have to sell from the farmers. And this is no data because the backend coding is also
It's
uncompleted.
okay. It's okay. It's okay.
And
It's okay. I don't want to see the code. It's fine. It's fine. I can check from GitHub. That's not the issue.
no, ma'am. Actually, I'm showing the registration page. So this is the
Okay.
registration page, which are some details from number, name, mobile number, email address, and where the state, where the farmer or customer from, where the city, and select where you are a registered person or farmer or a customer. Then they can give a username and password. Then they can register themselves. After that, they can log in.
Okay.
and they-
Now, hold on. Now everything looks nice. It is as similar as of what I've seen before. You ultimately came upon with the same problem statement. So, like, tell me your USPs. USPs are the unique selling points. Like, why I should not go for the Tech Yodha's website, but I should come to your website. What is the ideal difference? One thing which you said, that you're looking at the localites, hence the
Yes, ma'am.
delivery time is nice. That one point I liked, because that's something which is difficult. Like, it's ultimately a food product. How long we can keep it in the warehouses, right? We can't keep it in the warehouses for long. Other than that, anything else you have? Any other unique selling?
The farmer will directly sell the product to the customer. They will just
Upload it on our site. Yes.
upload it after the customer get order. The order will be go to the farmer. Then farmer will contact with us, that our local delivery boy, and then delivery boy go to the farmer and then deliver the product to the customer. So
Perfect.
that was the plan.
Okay, but I'm asking anything unique which I haven't seen yet. Any other unique selling point, any other thing which is in your head? Everything, whatever you have made is really nice. I have no problem in that. But anything else you have in your head? Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, now tell me, what is your name?
My name is Roshan Benjamin.
Roshan, and you did? You're from which college?
I'm from TGP college, Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad Patil College, Nagpur.
Nagpur, okay. So Roshan, anything you have, like, what have you done in the project? What was your role?
I make, ma'am, home model, which include the home page, registration page, about page, login page.
Front end, back end.
Actually, ma'am, all the members were doing front end and back end also, but due to the time limit, the back end was not completed.
Okay,
So
fine.
front end were all the project was divided, both front end and back end.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay. Great. Thank you so much. Can we have another team? Maybe now Igloo is ready. Purnima, I guess we had around 8 teams today, right?
Ma'am.
Okay, so rest of the teams?
Which team is ready?
Team Prakash is here.
Okay, now it's around 5 o'clock, right? If I'm not wrong. Yeah, so you need to be quick enough. Maximum 5:15 we will be pulling the presentation session. After that we would be declaring the ranks. Okay.
Okay. Team Prakash.
Purnima,
Are
call
you-
out only once. If they're coming, that's fine. Otherwise, unfortunately, the chance is missed.
Okay.
Call
Team
in
Bright
just
Future.
once. Anything other than that? Igloo team is ready. Their name was called quite often.
Yeah. Igloo.
I can see many people in the meeting. Like, who are these guys who are not talking at all? Okay, I know Nutan, I know Medha. Who is Avinash? Okay, I know him. Who is from Team Igloo? Is there anyone there? Am I audible?
Ritesh,
Am I
you can
audible?
share your screen. Team Igloo, Ritesh.
I don't think Ritesh is there in the meeting.
Bright Future.
Can you just put the same message in the WhatsApp group that like the final call for everyone?
Okay. Currently, we are done with only 3 teams, Tech Yotta, Alliance and Cybertrons. What about the next teams? It's a last call. Igloo?
Purnima, put the same thing in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, okay.
This is the last announcement. Please, remaining teams, present your projects now. Recursive Coders, Igloo, Bright Future, Prakash, and Tech Warriors.
Okay, so the teams, I think there is only 3 minutes left. So like if there is no team coming forward and explaining whatever they have done, we need to move ahead. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, so there is 3 minutes remaining. Whatever team has put everything in the group, if they are ready to come and explain their project, whatever efforts they have took for making all this thing happen, then it's fine. Otherwise, we need to end up with the results. Okay. Okay, just put the same in the WhatsApp group.
Already done, ma'am. No responses there.
Okay, no problem. Okay. So I think we can move ahead then. We will still give 2 minutes of time. Okay, we'll wait till 5 o'clock as it's decided. No one should be unfair. If they are coming till 5 o'clock, we can give them 15 minutes extra and we can see what they have made. If not, we can just move ahead. Okay. Okay, so looking at no team has shown up. Okay, so I think we can now declare the result. Before that, I would just like to thank Devgiri College for their amazing efforts. Renix.ai, my company, for supporting this event, and also Crowdsourced by Google for partnering in with us. Okay, and ultimately, last but not the least, the whole Purnima's team for making this event a huge success. Do follow us on social media. They will definitely share the social media links. And we organize such events every month. So always be there. Whatever is it, maybe you lose or you win. It's completely okay. It's just a game. And you will have more and more opportunities coming up. Okay, so no second thoughts. I think Abhay sir is here. Just give me a second. I'll just check with if Abhay sir is here. Okay, I guess Abhay sir is into something, so he's not going to be here. So I guess there is no second thoughts for who is the winner of the team or who is the winning team, of course, right? So any guesses over it? Purnima? You can just unmute and like any guesses. Of course, I'll quickly announce. The third rank goes to Alliance. Okay, your efforts were amazing, but I think you should be more updated towards the tech. Okay, that's the thing. Second rank goes to Cybertrons. You guys have done amazing efforts.
Thank you
Your
so much,
efforts-
ma'am.
No problem. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so the second rank goes to Cybertrons, and your efforts were really good. I really like the layout. It looks really better. It looks familiar, and the whole all parts are really good. And the first rank goes to Tech Yodhas because you guys are up to date with the new technologies. You guys have done it really good. And looking at your age in the bands of this hackathon, it is really good. Okay, like you have you have amazing places
Thank
to
you,
scale
ma'am.
more. And even on the same note, I would be announcing that Tech Yodhas, you have got an opportunity to make this live. Okay, so you can contact me again, and
Yes,
we
ma'am.
would work upon making this thing live. Okay.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Even I would request Cyberthons to be in touch with me because they have some amazing ideas. So we can merge two teams and bring this project live. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate your efforts. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. I announce that the meeting is over. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Purnima. Thank you, Dean.
Ma'am, Sanjay sir just joined.
Okay, Sanjay sir, thank you so much for joining in. I apparently didn't saw that you are here. So will you like to share your valuable words?
Yes, Priyanka, can I
Yes.
proceed?
Yes, sir. Please.
Yes, I have gone through the presentations of all the students. They have done good work, I think, but some more improvements are definitely required, isn't it?
Yes, of course, sir. And
Yeah.
I think
So
we are here to help them. We will
yeah,
make sure that
yeah.
they improve a lot.
Yeah, and I again would like to thank you, Renix.ai, and my entire team of volunteers,
Thank you so much.
because of whom the program was carried out in a smooth manner. So
Yes,
I guess it's
definitely.
5 o'clock, right? So are we going
Yes.
to declare the winners right now?
We have already declared the winners actually.
Okay,
Yes, the Tech
I missed
Yodhas are
that
the
part, I
first
think.
winners. No
Okay,
problem,
so
sir.
they are from my
The Tech
institute.
Yodhas, yes, Tech Yodhas are the first winners. They have done the project in Angular and extremely well in their presentation. The second rank, which was actually a nice competition, was Cyberthons because their project was also equally ready.
Okay.
And they didn't use any of the framework, but the
Mhm.
project was looking nice. So like the front end was nice, the overall thought processing was also nice. The shipping, which was a major issue that was being thought by them, means like they put efforts over that point too.
Now, if you
And
like
even
the ideas,
Alliance,
Budget sheet आली है
yes,
if you like the idea, I request you to mentor those students.
definitely, sir. I have already told them they can definitely connect to me, and I'll definitely mentor
Yeah,
them for the further process.
And third is
Third is Alliance. They did it really well.
Okay.
They got the problem statement right, but they need to improve a lot with their technologies. They have started with just HTML and CSS. So it will take time, but yeah, they have a way of looking at the problem statement. Like they can definitely come in. We had around 25 to 20 to 25 teams who were competing, and mostly all had the same problem statement. They chose the same problem statement, but only 3 teams could actually reach up to the solution. So I would appreciate that. Their efforts were really amazing.
Okay. Right then, Priyanka, thank you. I am in a little bit rush right now.
Yes, no problem.
So,
Thank you so
with
much.
your permission, can I leave the meeting?
Yes, we are already closing. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you again.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay, guys. So, rest of the teams, thank you so much for joining in. And I would appreciate if you are there in the later on hackathons also. Now, the teams which have got prizes, your work could be way more better. You're just young, and we know that you have way more journey to go. Hence, we can say that, okay, this hackathon is not an end. You must learn a lot. You must improve a lot, and see if you can do way better in the next hackathon, which is going to be offline. Okay. Okay,
ma'am.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
thank you so much. And everyone, kindly just thank to the management team. They have really took efforts for you. Maybe they have called you twice or thrice to just join the meeting. So do appreciate them. Say a nice write a nice thank you message on the group for them. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.